Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panter. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful star pattern in Illustrator. First step, make sure that you're on the stroke. So I'm going to swap this from fill to stroke, and I'm going to select the star tool. Where's the rectangle tool? Here is the star tool. Press and hold Shift plus Alt. Scale it up. Don't release it and press the down arrow once and twice, so this way it's going to create a triangle. Press and hold Shift, so it's going to isolate it perfectly. So because we reduced the star into a triangle, it created some unnecessary anchor points, which is located one here, another one here, and another one right here. In our case, this is very important because this is the 30-degree angle, basically. See that? We're gonna need to create some lines there. So select the pen tool and click here where is, so we got here the path, and if you go here, it's gonna show as the anchor point. So here we have the anchor point. Click on that anchor point and connect it here, with this edge. So I'm gonna select this, I'm gonna select the reflect tool, press and hold Alt, click here on this edge, and select vertical, click on copy. I'm gonna select the pen tool, gotta go here to this edge, click, press and hold Shift, and click here where they end. So perfect. So now I'm gonna select all these three lines, press Shift plus M, or you can go and select the shape builder tool. I'm gonna press and hold Alt. This way we're gonna remove some of the elements, and I want to remove this line here, the left one and the bottom one. So I'm gonna select them all, right click, group, press and hold Shift, scale it down. I'm gonna select the rotate tool from here, press and hold Alt, click here on this edge where's the anchor point, and type in 60 degrees. Click on copy, press Ctrl D until it goes round and round. Select all of them, right click, group. Okay, I'm gonna scale this down and we're gonna make a column out of this. So I'm gonna press and hold Alt to drag it down and make sure to intersect. There's an intersection point. And from here, I'm gonna press Ctrl D. I'm gonna remove actually two of these, okay? And I'm gonna remove these in between. So we got 5 in between. I'm gonna delete those and I'm gonna work with these two. And I'm gonna increase the thickness of this. So go to the stroke, increase the stroke thickness, and select both of these, go to Object, Blend, Make. So here we got 4. We're gonna need to double click here on the blend tool and select specified steps, and instead of 4 we're gonna type in 5. Now it's gonna be perfect. Click OK. I gotta go to the object, expand, click OK, and go to object, expand again, click OK. I'm gonna go to the Pathfinder and select Unite. If you don't have the Pathfinder, you can go to the Windows and select the Pathfinder, which is located here. From here, let's select the Direct Selection tool. So right here, I'm gonna select the exterior line, which is this. Just select the part from it and press on delete and delete again. Actually, I'm gonna delete this one also because it's too dense if basically zoom this out, so I'm gonna delete it. From here, I'm gonna select the rectangle and I'm gonna go down here and we're gonna need to cut out the side. And how we're gonna do this is, you can see this triangle here, and we're gonna start selecting it from here where this intersection point is, so we're gonna cut half of this triangle down, okay? And we're gonna go all the way down with this rectangle and all the way up, okay? So now I'm gonna select both of these, press Shift plus M, or you can go and select the shape builder tool, press and hold Alt, then also Shift, so you can select these unnecessary parts, and this way it's gonna delete it. The same way we're gonna do with this part, press Shift plus Alt, select these, and it's gonna delete. Perfect. What I need to do is press and hold Alt, drag it to the right, also press Shift to isolate it, make sure that they connect and they intersect right here, and from here press Ctrl D to create some copies, and there you go. This is how you create this pattern. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.